Hey everyone, welcome back to Bro Angrezi Bol. Today's episode is going to be fun because we're correcting some of the most common English mistakes we all make in India. And before we start, if you enjoy learning English in this slow, simple podcast style, hit the like button right now. And make sure you subscribe to Bro Angrezi Bol so you never miss a lesson.
That's right. Today we'll go one by one. Tony says the incorrect sentence, and I'll help you fix it with the natural English version.
All right, let's begin. People say, I am having fever.
Correct sentence is, I have a fever.
Another one we all use, I am getting late.
The natural version is, I am running late.
This one still makes me smile. I didn't knew this.
The correct English is, I didn't know this.
A very common one, I am understanding.
The correct way to say it is, I understand.
People also say, yesterday night I went there.
But natural English is, last night I went there.
Here's another famous one. Open the light.
The correct sentence is, turn on the light.
Next incorrect line, discuss about this.
The right version is, discuss this.
People say, my hairs are long.
But we say, my hair is long.
Another classic mistake. I will revert back.
The correct version is, I will revert.
And during introductions, people say, myself, Rohan.
The natural sentence is, my name is Rohan.
If this episode is helping you so far, take a second and tap the like button. Going ahead, people say, I am having a doubt.
Correct English is, I have a doubt.
Another one, he is my cousin brother.
Natural English is just, he is my cousin.
People often say, return back my money.
The correct sentence is, return my money.
And the last incorrect line, my phone got switch off.
The right way to say it is, my phone switched off.
And that brings us to the end of today's episode. If you learned even one new thing today, just hit the like button. It really helps.
And keep practicing with us every day. We're here to make English simple and friendly for you.
Thanks for listening. This is Bro Angrezi Bol. See you in the next episode.